Hey there, website owners and digital marketers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of web analytics. We'll show you how to use Google Analytics to track your website traffic and gain invaluable insights into your audience's behavior. Let's get started. Disclaimer. Before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure you've set up a Google Analytics account and integrated it with your website. Now, let's unlock the power of data-driven decision-making. Step 1. Login and navigation. Fire up your browser and log into your Google Analytics account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Google Analytics dashboard. Navigate through the different sections to familiarize yourself with the layout. Step 2. Audience overview. Click on Audience in the left sidebar, then Overview. Here, you'll find a snapshot of your website's traffic trends. See the number of sessions, users, page views, and more. It's like peering into the heartbeat of your site. Step 3. Traffic sources. Now, let's understand where your traffic is coming from. Click on Acquisition and then All Traffic to see sources like organic search, direct, referrals, and social media. This helps you identify which channels are driving the most visitors. Step 4. Behavior flow. Navigate to Behavior, then Behavior flow. This visual representation showcases how users navigate through your website. Identify popular entry, exit points, and see the most common paths users take. Step 5. Page views. Dive deeper into individual pages. Click on Behavior and then Site Content, followed by All Pages. Here, you'll see which pages are the most popular, helping you understand what content resonates with your audience. Step 6. Demographics. Let's get to know your audience better. Click on Audience and then Demographics. Discover the age and gender breakdown of your users. This insight can guide content creation and marketing strategies. Step 7. Conversions. It's time to measure success. Set up goals or e-commerce tracking to monitor conversions. Click on Conversions and follow the prompts to create goals that align with your business objectives. Step 8. Real-time reporting. Curious about what's happening on your website right now? Click on Real-time to see live data on current visitors, active pages, and traffic sources. Step 9. Custom reports. Tailor Google Analytics to your needs. Create custom reports by clicking on Customization. This allows you to focus on specific metrics that matter most to your website. Step 10. Exporting reports. Need to share insights? Export reports by clicking on the Export button. You can save them as PDFs or Google Sheets for future reference or sharing with team members. And there you have it, a crash course in using Google Analytics to track your website traffic. Remember, the data you collect here is a goldmine of information that can drive your business decisions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more digital marketing tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've uncovered any interesting insights about your website. Until next time, happy analyzing!